to turn on or off flashlight on Android. The first thing you need to do is you need to swipe from the top to get access to your quick settings bar, and here tap on flashlight. This will turn on your flashlight. If you want to turn off, you need to tap on it again and turn off your flashlight on Android. If you don't find it on your quick settings menu bar, you just have to tap on three dots at the top right corner and tap on edit titles and locate the flashlight icon, and you can drag and keep it on your quick settings. And from here you can easily turn on or off flashlight on Android. The second thing is, with the help of Google Assistant, you can simply hold on your power button and bring your Google Assistant turn on flashlight on Android. So this will also help you to turn on or off flashlight on Android. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.